Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to alter this frame shadow box into an organization. I can put it in my craft room, and here's the barcode and the full name if you are interested, to look it online. Okay, so I'm going to assemble the box. It's really easy to assemble. The thing is that I didn't add glue. I thought it will be really sturdy, but it was not. So after I assemble everything, I added, glue, and I hope that it will make it really strong, or at least, sturdy. I will set it aside till it dries, and for the paper I'm going to use this collection by Graphic 45 and called Baby to Bride. I'm going to write the names and everything in the description box. So I cut all the paper and measure all the papers, to match my shadow box, and again using a liquid glue to adhere all my papers. Next, I'm using acrylic paint to paint the rest of the shadow box. You can use gesso, you can use, any colored acrylic paint. Using whites, and if you didn't like it, you can just color it later. Again, covering the rest of the shadow box from inside, also with paper. After I adhered all my papers, now it's time to color the acrylic paint, the white acrylic paint, but it didn't work with the distress stain. Then I decided also to cover it with paper. Next, I'm going to distress all the edges of my paper. I'm using here Vintage Photo distress inks. The name is Vintage Photo, or you can use any brown ink. Next, I will show you now the embellishments I'm going to use. I have these antique brass glove feet, and this will be in the bottom of my shadow box. I'm sorry guys, the shadow box is really huge and it's difficult, to fit it, in the camera or in the lens. But that's why I'm trying, to zoom in and zoom out every time, just, to show you. Next, I'm going to use flowers, and the last thing I'm going to use UV resistant clear and glitter dust spray. But I will not do it here. I need to go outside and spray, just, to maintain the paper. Here now, let's do the arrangement for the flowers. Again, before I glue anything, I try, to see what arrangement or how I'm going to place my flower. And here is after I adhere the glove feet, really give this elegant look to the shadow box. So I'm going to add some small flower arrangement in each corner. The final step, I'm going to use this metallic gemstone, the gold color, just, to embellish a little bit my box. finally, I'm just going, to fill the box with my favorite goodies, and I will put it, on my desk, for easy reach. So this is my project for today. I hope you like it and get inspired. Thank you so much again for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your opinion in the comment, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye guys.